This leaf name is known as touch me not, and if you touch me, I will die.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn.
Whenever you touch the leaf is going to bend, and later it will rise. I don't know the name you are calling it over there, but here in Yoruba land, we call it ewe patama. Are you with me? I think you can see the image of the leaf displayed on the screen. It looks like a cat eyes leaf. Away or missing, but it's not away or missing. How to use this leaf to attract both men and women? How to use it to attract both men and women, and to make your wish to come true? When you touch the leaf, you are not going to die, but when you touch the leaf is going to bend, and later it will rise. Are you with me? So today I want to share with you how to use this leaf and 777 divine perfume. How to use it to attract both men and women. It works like a magic, believe me. When you try it and you follow my instruction the way I explain it, and please, you must apply your faith, because your faith is highly needed. Are you with me? You are not going to buy this leaf in the market. You must cut it with your hand. Are you with me? My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babiwinje. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one that you want to watch today. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of these videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, you are free to call me on the 077-3742-2552. You message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So as you see from the title, today I want to explain how to use this ewe patama. Ewe patama. I don't know the botanical name of the leaf, but when you touch the leaf will bend. You understand? It will close. And later the leaf will rise. I think you can see the image of the leaf displayed on the screen. Are you with me? So you are not going to buy this leaf, please. You don't need a dry one, or you don't need the one that they are selling in the market. If you have it over there, I don't know the name you are calling it over there. So if you have it, just walk straight to that leaf. Walk straight to it and you touch the leaf. Are you with me? So when you touch the leaf is going to bend. Then after that, you say your intention, the reason why you want to do it. If you want to use it to attract a man, if you want to use it to attract a woman, you understand? So you are going to say your intention. Then after that, you now cut the leaf. Have you done that? So the next material is 7777 spiritual perfume. You can get this perfume in a spiritual shop, eh, where they are selling incense, candle colors, and so on. So you can get this perfume. So when you get home, you are going to crush this leaf. You pound it very well. Are you with me? You pound it very well. Then now add it to that perfume. Are you with me? Apart from that leaf and that perfume, do not add any other thing to it, please. So when you add the leaf to that perfume, you are going to cover it and you leave and you keep it for 7 days. After 7 days, before you go out, before you commence your daily activities, so you are going to apply this perfume all over your body, or you can apply it on your face, and do not allow the perfume to go inside your eyes. And you only apply it the way you always apply your cream or apply your hand, or if you want to do it, you can apply it all over your body. Or if you are going out to go and speak with someone, most especially business people, you can also apply this perfume. Believe me, it works like magic. And by the grace of Almighty God, you are coming here to share me a good testimony. Simple as ABC. You don't need to add any other thing to it. And please do not buy this leaf. If you can find the leaf around your place, I think you see the image of the leaf displayed on the screen. It's not cat's eyes leaf, please. We call it patoma here in Yoruba language. Are you with me? When you touch the leaf is going to bend, and later maybe in the next 2 to 1 minute it will come up again. Are you with me? So the leaf is what you are going to pound, and you add it to 7777 spiritual perfume. Are you with me? So when you add it to it, before you go out, before you go to your work, you are going to apply this perfume all over your body. So that is how to use it. So if you really love this video, I know that this video will help you. There's a way you can help me too. By let me to like this video, comment, and share my video. And for more of this video, if you never subscribe, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be the first person to watch the video.
Lọ́la kó báyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó báyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jáde gbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn tá a fi ṣẹ́ mi náà, àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ. Kó fàyà kún Ọlọ́run ọba, ewé ń jẹ. Ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà, ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà jẹ́ ti gbọ́. Ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o, bó bá rí wúrà aṣọ dànù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ewé ń jẹ. Lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run ọba, ohun tó